Alright, since nobody wanted to hold the camera for me, I had to unbox all my stuff. So, yeah. So let's start from the top. Yep. That's kind of cool. I didn't even know I put those two together. I'm missing something. Where's my SPR Goku? Or did you pull that?
The SPR Ultra Instinct?
No, Kid Goku.
Yeah, you're missing cards, dude.
Where's
your secret rare?
Are they here? My secret rare? No, I think I already showed that.
You just show everything.
Alright. 5 boxes. What I pulled. As you know, this shadow ruins it, but pretty sure I have more pans, but wish I pulled more Holy Plus. Oh well.
Probably not going to keep the quick blade shrugs replacing the shrugs.
Yeah.
All the basics are single handed.
Well, that's it, guys. That's what I pulled. Stay tuned for more CP Rocket style. If he doesn't open them off camera. Several hours later. That's only by color. Now I gotta do it by card. Reds are organized by number. Now let's organize them by the actual cards. Yeah, so that's happening. Anyways. Yeah. Have it all organized finally. By card. Like energy cost and everything, but set 1, set 2, set 3. That's how I have it all. Red, green, blue, yellow, and black. As you can tell, black's really not that full because, you know, this was the, you guys know what I'm talking about. The villain pack. And this, I'm sorry. And then this came from all my boxes. But holy God. I would have a lot more, but I'm gonna send a bunch of my dupes over to Dub TV 315. So, anyways, these are for another video, and these are just other starter decks. I'm not gonna do unboxings of them because, you know, you can just read it from the back. Yeah. Besides, everybody else on YouTube kind of beat me to it. But anyways, those will be fun.